In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show/hide extensions icon to Google Chrome Toolbar. First open Chrome. Next find the Extensions button. It looks like a small puzzle piece icon. This icon opens the Extensions menu, where Chrome groups your installed extensions in one place. If an extension is not currently shown on the toolbar, you can usually find it here. Click the puzzle piece icon to open that menu. After the menu appears, you will see a list of your available extensions. Next to each extension, Chrome gives you the option to pin or unpin it. Pinning an extension means its icon will appear directly on the Chrome toolbar, making it easier to access whenever you need it. If you want to show an extension on the toolbar, click the pin icon next to that extension. As soon as you do that, the extension icon should appear at the top right of Chrome. This confirms that it is now pinned and visible on your toolbar. If you want to hide an extension from the toolbar, click the pin icon again to unpin it. Once unpinned, the extension will no longer appear directly on the toolbar, but it will still remain available inside the Extensions menu. This means you are only hiding the icon from view, not removing the extension itself. You can repeat this same action for any extension in the list. Pin the ones you want to keep visible, and unpin the ones you want to hide. That covers everything you need to know.